Hello, myself Sayyid Uzair Rahman, student in Government College of Polytechnic Mumbai. I am giving here information regarding our institute. Government Polytechnic Mumbai is associated with Government of Maharashtra, Directorate of Technical Education, Maharashtra State, Board of Technical Education, Mumbai. The Government Polytechnic Mumbai is leading academically autonomous institute of Government of Maharashtra. The institute was established on 15th June 1960 and is situated in heart of Mumbai at Ali Yavar, Jung Marg, Kherawadi, Bandra East. Institute offers 10 diploma courses in sandwich pattern, civil engineering, computer engineering, electronics engineering, information technology, instrumentation engineering, leather technology, leather goods and footwear technology, mechanical engineering, rubber technology. The vision of our institute is transform knowledge into work, and the mission of our institute, we are committed for quality education for lifelong learning, need based educational programs through different modes, outcome based curriculum, implementation, development and upgradation of standard laboratory practices, promoting entrepreneurial programs. We believe in equality, safety, environment friendly practices, and teaching learning innovations. Principal of our institute is Mrs. Swati Deshpande Madam with dynamic personality, and she is always help to students as well as faculties members. HOD of different branches for electrical engineering Mr. Vishwarupe sir, for civil engineering Mr. Ford sir, for mechanical engineering Mr. Kamre sir, for instrumentation engineering Mr. Shinde sir, for electronics engineering Mrs. Gadge madam, for computer engineering Mrs. Kapade madam, for information technology Dr. Patil sir, for rubber technology Mr. Hospe sir, for leather technology Mr. Pod sir, for leather goods and footwear technology Mr. Darveshi sir, and science and humanities Mr. Vishwarupe sir. The strengths of our institute is well equipped labs with the state of arts equipments and machinery, curriculum design in coordination with industry personnel, 6 months implant training for all disciplines, highly qualified and well experienced staff in all disciplines, excellent industry licensing, different certificate course conducted in various disciplines under CEP scheme, excellent central library with latest editions of books, periodicals, encyclopedia, journals, handbooks, data books, DVDs, etc. Dedicated training and placement cell, strong alumni base. The students intake is different for different branches. For civil engineering, there are two shifts. In each shift, 60 students intake. For computer engineering, there are two shifts. For electrical engineering, there are one shift and 60 students intake. For electronics engineering, there are two shifts. For information technology, there are two shifts. For instrumentation engineering, one shift, 60 students intake. For leather goods and footwear technology, 15 students take. For leather technology, 50 students take. And for rubber technology, 30 students take. And mechanical engineering has two shifts, 120 intake. PWD facility is also available in our institute. In every branch, 5 seats is available for PWD. The fee structure will be implemented by per government rule, and it will be displayed on main notice board of our institute. And the fee structure of rubber technology is different because it is self-finance course, and it's displayed on main notice board of our institute. The scholarship are provided as per government rule in our institute, that are first Dr. Panjabrao Vasigrah Nirvah Bhatta, second Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Shulka scholarship, Third, minority scholarship for pursuing higher and professional courses. Fourth, post matric scholarship for SBC students. Fifth, government scholarship for reserved category students, etc. Admission process will be implemented per government rule as per direction of our head office DTE. Students have to register online on following website is www.dtemaharashtra.government.in. This is online procedure for taking admission in our institute. There are some document is given below as per category is necessary for getting admission in our institute. The career options after diploma is government sector in railway, PWD, irrigations, transport, MSEB, telecom, etc. In public sector undertaking PSU, ONGC, BPCL, IOCL, HPCL, BHEL, BEL, ISRO, HAL, BSNL, NTPC, SAIL, CIL, GAIL, Power Grid, RCF, HCL, HCL, NALCO, etc. In private sector, cement industries, street industries, energy sector, medical sector, agriculture industries, pharmaceutical industries, aeronautical industries, shipping industries, etc. For higher education, B means Bachelor of Engineering.